What if you could plug in a tiny device that clears out stubborn odors like cigarette smoke and pet smells, all within 30 minutes? In this box, we have just such a device. Let's get it opened up and check it out. Well, inside the box, you get 2 of these compact Hilmon Plug-In Purifiers. No filters and no extra parts. Just plug it straight into the wall. Have our user guide and our plug-in air purifiers. Really small. These measure about 4.5 inches, not even 4.5, about 4.25 inches wide and about 5.5 inches tall. It's actually 2 devices in one, the ozone odor eliminator and the negative ion air purifier. Just one button to switch modes. You have your on and off switch right here. In the ozone mode, it puts out 300 milligrams per hour of ozone to break down odors like smoke, pet, and kitchen smells. It runs for 30 minutes and then it shuts off and automatically goes back into the ion mode. One important note on the ozone mode, you're supposed to clear the room of humans and pets for like 30 minutes, and you'll want to air it out for 15 minutes afterwards. On the negative ion mode, it releases up to 60 million negative ions every second. These ions attach to dust and smoke particles so they fall out of the air. The result, fresher feeling air that can also help you relax and sleep better, and it's whisper quiet so you won't even notice it running. And here on the back is the plug. You just plug that into the outlet. This works great for bedrooms, kitchens, and pet areas, and yes, it even helps with the odor left behind from cigarette smoke. Just plug it in and pick your mode and let it do its work. Turn it on. You'll notice it is in the ion mode. When it's just the blue light, you won't hear nothing. And you press this button and you can hear the fan and the blue light starts blinking. Like I mentioned, it does turn off after 30 minutes and goes back to normal. Be a good place to keep it right there by the stove. All right, I got one in the kitchen, and this one will be going into the cat room by the litter box. So definitely should help clear that up a lot. Overall, it's a very low maintenance way to keep your house and room smelling fresh. No filters to have to worry about changing, anything like that. Just plug it in, turn it on, you're good to go. If the odors are real bad, you can hit that ozone mode and let it really work, and then it'll turn off after about 30 minutes. So if you're needing a small, easy to use air purifier that you can just plug in and forget, you may want to check this one out. Definitely a thumbs up. If you're looking for one of these for yourself or for someone else, I'll put a link down in the description where you can check it out. Also, if you got any value out of this video at all, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. One more thing, if you are looking for other products like this for your house, you might check this playlist right here on the screen. I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.